Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create Flutter Drawer. Let's start it. Open your Android Studio or VS Code. Had already create a scaffold. Type drawer. DRAW drawer. Now here create a column. Now I'm going to create a children user accounts drawer header. Here is account name, account email, current account picture, circular avatar. Let's create a background image, network image, paste our image URL. If you want to change this image size, current image picture size, here type size, here type double value 60 and 60. Height and weight already set. This image account margin, it's all set 0.0. Now create a list style. Now create another list style, copy and paste.
If you like this video, please thumbs up and stay with us. Turn by subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.